disconnected.
It is getting to where it's darker every morning when I head out. And this little light's blinking right here saying, you better put fuel in, you get low. So I need to put gas in, at least before I head home from work. You can see there it's 3 minutes till 6. Chance of rain, I hope it does. We've had a little bit of rain lately, but we need more. Would be nice. It'll be lighter when I get on in the open on top. Down here around all the trees, the bottom it's still darker. See there? Of course, it'd be a little lighter too if it wasn't for the clouds. It's pretty good clouds around. Well, I have my Cocoa Pebbles this morning. I'm not too cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, but I like Cocoa Pebbles. Looks like it could be raining over that direction. I'm thinking it is. Well, now I'm on my way home, and it's raining. I made it in, it just drizzled a little bit, but on the way home it's raining. It's not raining heavy yet, but it's starting to. I think it's fixing to. The further I go this way, the more it's going to rain. And I don't like riding these roads when it's raining, so I'll get on the back road, of course, as fast as I can up here. Boy, the wind's blowing me sideways. One thing about this little bike, you don't take a lot of wind, it blows you all over the place. Like that. To stop and put my watch and my wallet and keys in my Nelson rig tank bag, because it's actually 100% waterproof. So I got it in there, and it should be dry. Normally, because most of the tail bags are not, I take a Ziploc bag, keep in there all the time, and then I'll put my stuff in the Ziploc bag, throw it in there. But with this tank bag, works pretty good. I can just throw it in there, zip it up, and we're good to go. That is a cold rain too. The temperature actually dropped to like 71 degrees. It's been in the 90s every day, and today it feels cold with the rain because I'm wet. I don't have my climb jacket on that's waterproof. This thing here is just a Walmart junker, but it gets soaked right through it. But at least the rain running down on there, pecking down on you, ain't feel like needles poking you. Turn that signal off, Harry. I'm burning up that blinker fluid. I'm wet. I'm not totally drenched yet, but I'm getting close. I actually smell smoke. Maybe somebody burning trash. Kind of stinks. The winds are blowing pretty good, that's for sure. Look at that corn. Hopefully you can see Ashley because of all the rain on the lens of the Sena. So I was going to go for a ride and make a video today, and now that it's raining, I'm not. I'm just riding home, so this is all we're going to get today. I'll be going home and drying off. Shoot, I can smell them ragweeds. Powerful right there. So I ordered a gun. Of course it come in. It's a Browning Buckmark stainless. And it came in, of course, you have to fill out the papers and they have to get online, and it's going to be a few days probably. He said that if it don't come in, if it don't come back right away, then usually it'll be 3 days or so. So he said after the 4th day, even if it don't come back, they can go ahead and sell it. Obviously that means you're not rejected, it's just they dinging around. So it probably will be next week sometime. But I'm not in a big hurry for it. Just want to get it and do some target shooting. We do some with it, and need to get my Henry lever action, my Golden Boy out and shoot with it. I haven't in a long time. I guess I'll check the mail, even though my wife probably already did. Could be full of cash here. Nothing. But she's opening the door for me up there. Check that out. You talk about service. Catch y'all in the next one, guys. Click the thumbs up, subscribe. Right on.